things that happen to your body if you walk every day. A 30 minutes walk is the best exercise to do. And as per Harvard studies, it also lowers your risk of death by 32%. But have you ever wondered how it affects your body? Here are 10 things that happen to your body when you walk every day. Number 1. Walking will improve your mental health. A glass of wine or a little piece of dark chocolate can reduce our stress levels, but going for a walk offers the same benefits. When we walk, the levels of endorphins increase, thus significantly reducing the stress levels. As a study reveals, it also prevents early dementia, reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease, and improves overall mental health. Number 2. Your eyesight improves. It might seem like the eyes are the last thing to be connected to legs, but walking actually benefits your vision. Walking helps relieve eye pressure, which may help to fight glaucoma. Number 3. Your heart becomes healthier. Walking is the best form of exercise that can prevent cardiovascular diseases or stroke. It helps to avoid heart problems by lowering high blood pressure and cholesterol levels and improves blood circulation. Number 4. Your lungs capacity increases. When you walk, it increases oxygen flow in your bloodstream and helps train your lungs, as well as eliminate toxins and waste. Walking strengthens your lung capacity, or the amount of air that your lungs take in, and also helps you prevent respiratory diseases. Number 5. It also has beneficial effects on pancreas. Regular walks can help maintain glucose levels. Walking is more efficient in preventing diabetes than running. According to research, low-intensity walks increase the efficiency of pancreas, so your body's metabolism and insulin production improve. Number 6. Your digestion improves. A 30-minute walk every day could not only lower the risk of colon cancer but also improves our digestion and constipation. A regular walking routine can greatly improve your bowel movements. Number 7. You'll tone your muscles. When you lose your body fat, your muscles become more prominent and leaner. You can achieve these by walking 10,000 steps a day. Additionally, it has low impact and there's no recovery time. You won't experience muscle soreness and you can still do the same routine the next day. Number 8. You strengthen your bones and joints. The Arthritis Foundation recommends walking at least 30 minutes a day on a regular basis to reduce the pain in your joints along with stiffness. Walking can provide more joint mobility, prevent loss of bone mass, and even reduce the risk of fractures. Number 9. You experience relief from lower back pain. If you are suffering from lower back pain, high-impact exercises can harm the back, but not walking. Walking may be a real lifesaver for those who experience back pain. It's a low-impact exercise that actually relieves back pain. Walking contributes to better blood circulation within the spinal area and also improves posture and flexibility of back muscles. Number 10. Your mood will improve. If you experience mood disorders, walking can help you lighten up. Regular walks can reduce stress, depression, and anxiety levels. And a joyful walk with a friend or a loved one will multiply the happy effect and improve your mood.